Nnamdi Kanu wants an Igbo Biafra. Taking our name to hang to what does it to himself, it doesn't belong to him. And instead of calling for all, he wants an Igbo. So he will say, Chukwuka Obioma is the god of Igbo land, is the god of Biafra. Who is Chukwuka Obioma? I don't know him. It's not a Ijaw word. He comes around, he says, Biafra is a Jewish state. Well, I am not a Jew. I will never be Jew. My ancestors are superior to Jews. So, I am not a Jew. I am an Ijaw man. I am a Calabar Ijaw man. Period. He says, Islam will not be in his Biafra. I said, no. Which one is your Biafra? The Biafra that I know is Ijaw. Now, the Ijaws, Franco Pigo, used the Ijaw name and sold it to all the people of the former Eastern region in 1967. And on May 30th, that Ijaw name was adopted by that Ijaw area. The name for the Ijaw area was adopted by all the people of the Eastern region, and it became Republic of Biafra. So which Biafra are you talking about? I have no business with his IPOB as long as it does not concern Biafra. When you call Biafra, I am included in Biafra. And I will stand up as a Biafra. That don't include me. I'm a Muslim. I am not a Jew.
So here there is a distinction between the IPOB and Biafra.
Yes, that's a distinction. I don't know whether IPOB is Igbo. Even though I have Igbo blood flowing in my vein, I am not an Igbo man today.
Maybe you have to make a distinction now. Or is it the same? Ijaw, Biafra, and Igbo.
Biafra, the real Biafra, the name Biafra, the geographical location Biafra, is Ijaw and a little bit Oron and a little bit Ibibio. Some few Ibibios are in that territory, the bite of Biafra. Then, in 1967, the Eastern Ijaws were part of Eastern region. An Eastern Consultative Assembly was convoked in Enugu, and Francis, an Ijaw man, gave the name Biafra, moved the motion that Biafra should be adopted. Francis Opigo. And Biafra was adopted, and on the 30th of May, 1967, the Republic of Biafra was declared, which included the Eastern Ijaw within our territory. So Biafra has nothing to do with Igbo. And I hear intellectuals talk rubbish, rot. Can they dismiss this historical fact that the geographical area known as Biafra is Ijaw? It's in Boro's book. Boro said this place is Biafra.
Talking about the 12-day revolution?
Yes. Go page 152, go and see it. Boro said this place is Biafra. In his book, Geographical Biafra. At that time, Biafra had not been declared. Then the instrument of declaration of Biafra in Enugu, in that instrument of declaration, Ijaw territories in the eastern region were included in the declared Biafran state. The Biafran state that was declared in 1967 was not an Igbo state. It was the sovereignty, the mandate was given for the retaking of the sovereignty, the collective sovereignty of the people found within the borders of the British-created eastern region of Nigeria.